This lesson is called Happy Maps. Today we're going to help our furry little friend, the flurb, get to her fruit.
Make your flurb go to your fruit.
To do this, you'll need to figure out which way the flurb needs to go and direct her with arrows.
In order for the flurb to get to the apple, what direction does the flurb have to go?
Mine, you make it go up. And to get it there, you circle the direction that it has to go.
Create your algorithm by gluing arrows next to the map that you're trying to solve.
In the second one, it's the same, but it's going down.
It's like programming with paper.
And that's it.